One of the more useful features DMAC gives you is the ability to rename or copy files, including many files at once, by using wildcards on this function. First, let's copy a single file. We'll choose I for copy. When Unibase says enter name, it wants the name of the old file. So let's copy SURV1. It asks for the new name. Let's call it CURV1. Field release. When I press release to proceed, Unibase tells us that, okay, I did copy your file, and I copied Serve1 to Curve1. If we now display, and I'll use a question mark for the first character wildcard, URV1, we see the two files, each with 37 records. Now let's rename Serve1. Choose F for rename. We're going to rename Serve1, and let's call it Nerve1. And again, Unibase says we did it, and it's been renamed. And if we display with our question mark wildcard, we see both our Curve1 and our Nerve1, but Serve1 has disappeared. What happens if we use a wildcard? Let's copy all the Serve files, SURV asterisk, to Curve files, CURV asterisk. When I press field release, Unibase gives me all the files that it's going to copy. We have 6 of them. When I press release to proceed, it tells me as it copies each one, and when it's through, we have release to proceed again. Are you likely to use this feature? Occasionally, when one of your keyers misnames a batch of work, it's nice to be able to rename it. And if you're testing a program that changes data in a file, it's nice to tuck away a copy of the original file until you're sure your program works correctly. The next lesson covers delete and selective delete, which you'll be using all the time, especially if you have a busy shop.